Today I am going to tell you about exercise number 3, how to find equivalent fraction, how to filling the blanks to make the fraction equivalent. So last class you have learned how to find equivalent fraction by multiplication and division. Today you will need to find the unknown one, right? So you can see number 3, we will go to number 3. Question is given that filling the blanks to make the fractions equivalent. So you need to find the blanks, whatever is there you need to find the, and both the numbers are equivalent to each other. Now how will you find it? Very easy. You see this value is greater than this. So now you see there is two process to find equivalent fraction, either by multiplication, by division. Now how both are equivalent? So you see the difference. This number, this fraction is obviously greater than this, so we will have to multiply because of it. If this number, whatever unknown one, if it would have been less than the given one, then you need to do division. But as this is more than this fraction, so you need to multiply. So how will you do? And very easy, 1/3 you do into do. So what in equivalent fraction we do, whatever we will multiply in up, down also we multiply same. So similarly, if we down whatever we put in up also you need to put the same. So as we have put 6, so 3 into 2 is 6. So up also 1 into 2 is 6. So 2/6 is the answer. So like that, let me do one more question. Number C I am doing. 1/4 is equal to bracket, and then this is 16. So how will you find for this? 16. 4 4s is 16. So 1 up also you need to write multiply with same number. So 1 into 4 is 4. I think you can do. This one is very simple. Let me do another number, that is number G number, which is F number I am doing. So F number let me do. So it is given 2/5 and you need to find the down one, that is denominator. So how will you find? Similar way how you used to do. So now what will you multiply to get down part, that is denominator. You see 2 into what is 6, that one if you would have multiplied 3, down also you need to multiply with the same number. So it will be 3. So 5 into 3 is 15. So this is the answer. So like that, let me do number H. 4/9, it's given 36 in up, down you need to find. Okay, 4/9 into 36 is given in up, you need to find the downward. So 4 into what is 36, that one you need to multiply with this 9 also. So 4 into 9 is 36, so down also you need to multiply with the same number. 4 into 9 is 36, so 9 into 9 is 81. So this is the answer number H. So these are the answers of A, C, F and H. I think you can do other questions. You can see the questions. I think you can do B, D, E, G. So these things you can do, I think. So all are similar. You just have to multiply with the number, and whatever you multiply down or up, same number you need to multiply, and then whatever answer you will get, whatever missing one you will get it, then only you will get it. So this is exercise 3 number, exercise 3 number. So number 4, let me show you how to do it. So this is a concept that you must know, that simplest form of a fraction. So similarly, this is a fraction 2/3. It has no common factor of the numerator and denominator except 1. If you find a common factor of 2 and 3 separately, then the denominator or the numerator both will have only one common factor, that is 1. So how will you find the simplest form of a fraction? So here it is given, to get a fraction in its lowest terms, divide the numerator and dividend by common factor until they cannot be divided any further. So you need to do what? Numerator and denominator, you need to find the common factor, and with that common factor I have shown in the questions, like in division part I have shown you, you need to find the common factor, and whatever common factor you use to divide, and you get the equivalent fraction. So in this case also what you need to do, you need to find both the denominator and numerator, you need to find the common factor, and after finding the common factor you need to divide with that, and whatever answer you will get, that will be the whatever answer you will get, you try to find that those whatever fraction you will get, that common factor should be 1. If you get common factor as only 1, then only it is in the lowest term. So now the question number 4 is that, the question number you see, put a tick on the fractions that are in lowest term, reduce the factors to their lowest term. That means you need to check which one is in the lowest term, you just put the tick, and those which are not in lowest term you need to find their lowest term. So suppose I am doing number 4a, let me do number 4a. So I am trying to do number 4a. So how will you find? First you find the factors. So factors of 4, it is 1, 2 and 4. In case of 12 it is what? 1, 2, 6, 3, 4, 12. Okay. So these are the factors. So what is common? 1, it is common, 2 is common, even 4 is common. So common factors, this is rough work. Okay. So you have got 1, 2, 4. So out of this, which one is the highest? It is this one is the highest. So with that highest common factor you need to divide. So 4, 12 you need to divide with 4, which is the highest common factor of both the numbers. So when you divide you will get what? 4 divided. So 4 into what is 4? 4 into what is 12? It is 3. So 1 by 3 is the common factor. So like that, let me do another number. I am doing C number. C number, for C it is given 10 by 50. Similarly, you find the common factors of 10. You got 1, 2, 5, 10. These are the common. What are the common factors? 1, 2, 25, 5, 10, 50. So you have got common as 1, 2, 5, 10. So what are the common factors? You got 1, 2, 5, 10. So which one is the highest you need to divide with? So 10 is the highest, so you need to divide with that. So it is not in the, it has many common factors, so that is why it is not in the lowest term. So you need to divide with the highest one. So you have got highest one as 10, so you divide it. So 10 into what is 10? It is 1. 10 into what is 50? It is 5. So 1 by 5. If you divide also you will get the same. Okay, 1 by 5 is it is in the lowest term. So C is, we have find the lowest term. Now E number, let me do number E. E number, they have given 1 by 6. So find the common factors of 1 by 6. One common factor is 1 only. 6 common factor, 1, 2, 3, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 6, these are the common factor. What is the common factor of both? It is 1. So common factor is 1. So 1 by 6 you just have to tick in your book. 1 by 6 is it is in the lowest term. So you write it there, it is in its lowest term. So these are the answers. This way you need to do number 4. So those which are not in lowest term you need to find their lowest term, and those which are in lowest term you just take it in the book and write it in your copy that it is in its lowest term. So this much for today. this much for today, and next day I will tell you what is like and unlike fraction. So with this I like to thank you for watching.